So today I'm going to show you how I lay out my single lines. This is all 4-inch pipe EMT. So what I went ahead and did is, after you've already laid all your holes out and everything, you know how your layout's going to be, I start working on the strut next, going up the wall. What I do is I laser everything out. I went ahead and put it at the edge of the coupling, and then that gives me where it's going to go. So I shoot a laser all the way up, and then I shoot it all the way over. So first I lay out all my struts first. If you see here, that's from far away. It's a far away shot here, and you already see pipe up on the wall, but my point is the strut goes first. On where it's gonna go, everything's lasered out. You know where your back of 90s give a little bit more extra room. So I lay out the strut first. Racks, anytime I'm running anything, the strut goes first. I already know where I'm running. I know what I'm running into. I make sure my shot point A to point B is as clear as possible. Here on my 4-inch EMT goes up the wall, has to offset over some other pipes, and then I just pretty much bring it over. And this is already on the other end already. So I put my lasers for my strut, the back of 90, and I know where exactly my panel is going to end. I know where my pipes are going to drop into my panel. So that's point A over there, goes up, offsets over those other 4 inches, goes over the wall, and pretty much just comes down. And I'm using a 360 laser botch, so that laser goes up to, I believe it's 300 feet. So it's a green laser, very visible. See, I have it up here now. My panels are already up. Everything's already up, so all I have to do is just pretty much just start pulling wire after this. We're getting the length for my feeders, but you see, I like always, I always do top of panels, everything to the top, make sure everything matches, laser it, and this is pretty much how it looks here. All the couplings have to match. You know, you don't want to match your couplings. And leave yourself a little more room of strut right there, just in case you're going to come up the panel with something. In this case, we're not, so we didn't. This is going to be a spare panel for this building that's utilizing a lot of power. And that's pretty much it, really, in a nutshell. That's all it really is. Just, you know, you just got to remember, you can't really pry or bend 4-inch EMT like you did 3/4. You know, with 3/4 you can pry, give or take here. Not with 4-inch, man. You got to be precise. You have to be really good with lasers, is what it is. And all it is, you know, you're lasering it up, you're lasering it over. This is another one that I did here. So got panel back to backs, and then you got your parallel feeders coming in. And they're just going up, and I laser everything up. See, I lasered already the strut, how it goes up, see, that's why it looks so square like that. It looks perfect because it's all lasered. Everything is lasered. It goes up the wall lasered, it goes over lasered, and it's everything to the back of the 90. So I do everything to back of 90s. Everything was pre-bent. I didn't have to bend nothing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button to watch more. Hit the like button if you liked the video. And remember, if you subscribe, you'll never miss out on another video again.